Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop with Todd Cutler here, and I'm on the walls of Dover Castle. So it's a massive site, and you can tell how big it is because quite a long way over there is the keep. So the Great Tower at Dover, and that tower was built between 1179 and 1189. So it's 900 years old. It's ancient, but there are older things here as well, and that's one of the things that I love about this site is it just goes so far back. So if we just look over here, we have the Church of Mary de Castro. Now that was built around the year 1000. So it's a Saxon church, predates the Normans. But then if we just come a little bit here, we can see this tower, very decrepit looking. Well, it should be because it's the Roman lighthouse built around 120 AD. So this site just goes so far back. And the lighthouse there was eventually incorporated to be the bell tower for the church. It did that for a few hundred years and then it was separated back off again and it's left where it is now. There is a system somewhere. There was. So if we just pan across the port here, you can see this is the port of Dover. So this is where the Roman galleys would come in. But of course, when you've got one lighthouse, it doesn't really exactly tell you where you need to be. So if we just come back to the over here, you can see beyond these trees, there's another headland. Over there, somewhere on that headland, was the other lighthouse. So they came as a pair. Long gone, nobody knows where it is. Probably turned into farmhouses or something like that, or walls. Anyway, but either way, this site was a Roman stronghold as well. But way before that, it was an Iron Age fort. So let's say 500 BC, something like that. This became a military site, and it was a continuous military site from the Iron Age through the Romans, through the Saxons, Vikings, Normans, and then coming through all the way into the medieval period and ended in the 1980s. I think it was 1983. It stopped being a military site. So there's all sorts of stuff left over from the Napoleonic Wars, First World War, Second World Wars, sort of tunnel systems up under the cliffs, all sorts of stuff. Crazy, crazy amount of layers of history in this one spot. And that is why well, I love places like this. I love history because it's about military life. It's about civilian life, it's about traders, it's about legionaries, it's about Vikings, it's about all sorts of things. And you get it all in sites like this. It's just brilliant to see. But anyway, I've come down to do my annual cleanup down at Dover Castle. Some of you will know about it, but it means that I get to spend a day here pretty much on my own, and I love it. But talking of loving it, if you like this kind of thing, go check out our website, toddsworkshop.com, because you will find all sorts of things that you are really interested in there. And other than that, go and check the main channel out as well on YouTube because it's got longer, higher energy films in it than these ones. And again, Patreon, go check that out because it really helps. Anyway, see you again.